अगर लाइफ में ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाए तो उसकी खुशी अलग होती है, जैसे चाय के साथ एक्स्ट्रा बिस्किट,
गोलगप्पे के साथ एक्स्ट्रा सूखी पूरी,
आलू पराठे के साथ एक्स्ट्रा मक्खन।
और फरवरी में गवर्नमेंट एस्पिरेंट के प्रिपरेशन के लिए एक एक्स्ट्रा दिन। यहाँ सभी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की सुपर कोचिंग पर मिल रहा है अप टू 90% ऑफ। इतना ही नहीं, फाइनल सिलेक्शन होने पर पाइए 100% रिफंड।
Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Shefali Singla, and in this session, we are going to talk about very small but very interesting topic, that is binary tree construction. So last session में we had talked about binary tree traversals. दो तरीके डिस्कस किए थे, एक जो स्टैंडर्ड अप्रोच होती है as per the definition, and second one was the trick. So I hope आप सबको ट्रिक्स के साथ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में मजा आ रहा होगा, आप लोग एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे, एंड डेफिनेटली सेशन के बाद आपने कुछ और क्वेश्चंस भी ट्राई किए होंगे. So if you guys are comfortable with the tree traversals, then आज वाले सेशन में हम लोग ट्री कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. बेसिकली कई बार क्वेश्चन कैसा आता है कि आपको दो ट्रेवर्सल्स गिवन होंगे, लाइक प्री ऑर्डर एंड इन ऑर्डर इज गिवन, और पोस्ट ऑर्डर एंड इन ऑर्डर इज गिवन, और आपको थर्ड सीक्वेंस फाइंड करना है. ट्री गिवन नहीं होगा. Without tree, they'll simply give you the traversals and you have to find out the missing one. So in this session we'll understand कि अगर आपको sequence given है तो उससे आप tree कैसे construct कर सकते हो. This is the main agenda for this session. चलिए start करते हैं. So binary tree construction, as we have already discussed, कि हमारे पास pre order आ रहा है, in order आ रहा है, post order आ रहा है. प्री ऑर्डर, इन ऑर्डर एंड पोस्ट ऑर्डर. मैं डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च की बात कर रही हूँ, पोस्ट ऑर्डर. सो ये जो नाम पड़े प्री ऑर्डर, इन ऑर्डर एंड पोस्ट ऑर्डर, दिस इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पोजीशन ऑफ द रूट. लेफ्ट सब ट्री और राइट सब ट्री का सीक्वेंस सेम रहता है. सो हियर विल बी गेटिंग ट्री मींस पहले रूट आ गया, रूट, लेफ्ट सब ट्री, राइट सब ट्री. Then in order we have left subtree, root, and then we have right subtree. In post order, we have left subtree, right subtree, and then we have root. Okay, now the agenda is कि tree construct करना है तो हमें क्या चाहिए. First of all, we need to uniquely identify a root node. Root node कौन identify कर रहा है unique node? Uniquely, that is the pre-order or the post-order, है ना. अगर मैं सिर्फ एक सीक्वेंस लेती हूँ, लेट्स से यू आर गिवन विद द प्री ऑर्डर, तो आप यूनिकली रूट को तो आइडेंटिफाई कर लोगे. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, जो भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होगा दैट विल बी द रूट एलिमेंट. बट उसके बाद जो भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो कैसे पता लगाएंगे कि कितने एलिमेंट्स लेफ्ट सब ट्री के पार्ट है और कितने राइट सब ट्री का पार्ट है. वी कांट डू दैट. Similarly, if I go with the post order में जो last element होगा, surely that will be the root element. But what about the left subtree elements and the right subtree elements? Can't identify that. So that means only one sequence is not possible. अगर मैं in order लेती हूँ, बीच में कहीं पे root आ रहा है, तो हमें नहीं पता बीच में कौन सी position पे root element आ रहा है. So only on the basis of pre-order, in-order and post-order, we can only identify the root node, but we cannot distinguish between the elements of the left subtree and the right subtree. Okay, so that means we need at least two sequences. चलिए try करते हैं pre-order and post-order से. Let's say I'm given with the pre-order, that is A, B, C. Along with this, I'm given with the post order. Post order is CBA. Let's say this is the post order. Now, on the basis of this, we get to know that A is the root element. Similarly, post order भी क्या बता रहा है? A is the root element. तो मैंने A root ले लिया. अब ये जो B आ रहा है, it can be present on left hand side. हो सकता है कि right सब ट्री बिल्कुल खाली हो, A, B, C. अगर मैं इस ट्री का प्री ऑर्डर फाइंड करूं, अब हम ट्रिक के साथ फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So this is A, B, C. So pre order में A is the root, then next is B, then next is C. Only one path is available. Similarly, if left subtree is empty, then also we'll be getting the same pre order. If you check for the post order using the trick, हमने क्या बोला था कि भाई लीफ नोड से स्टार्ट करो, कौन सी लीफ नोड से? दैट इज द लेफ्ट मोस्ट लीफ नोड. सो लेफ्ट मोस्ट लीफ नोड इज C, then is B, then is A. For the second tree also, it is C, then B, and then A. That means with the given pre-order and post-order, we are getting multiple options. Even I can take like A, B, and C. Pre-order is ABC. Post-order will be CBA. One more tree we can construct A, B, and C. So that means using pre-order and post-order, we are not getting unique binary tree, we are getting multiple binary trees, not unique binary tree. But जब हम traversal की बात करते हैं, we need a unique traversal. We know that tree traversals are always unique because in a tree we have a unique node which is known as the root node. Although graph traversals unique नहीं होते क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई unique node ही नहीं होती. Okay, so that means only on the basis of pre-order and post-order आपको unique binary tree नहीं मिल सकता. So in that case, what do we need to do here is we need to take in order. In order क्या करेगा? आपने pre-order लिया, pre-order will uniquely identify what will be the root node. आपने root node identify किया. अब उस root node के basis पे रूट नोड के बेसिस पे आप लेफ्ट सब ट्री और राइट सब ट्री के एलिमेंट्स को डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हो. रूट के लेफ्ट पे जो भी एलिमेंट्स आ रहे हैं दोज आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ लेफ्ट सब ट्री एंड व्हाट एवर एलिमेंट्स आर कमिंग ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड दोज आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द राइट सब ट्री. Okay, now let us finalize this. Let's conclude this. So in order to construct the binary tree, we need pre-order or post-order. प्री-ऑर्डर और पोस्ट ऑर्डर आपको यूनिकली ये बताएंगे कि व्हाट विल बी द रूट नोड. प्री ऑर्डर में फर्स्ट नोड विल बी द रूट नोड, पोस्ट ऑर्डर में लास्ट एलिमेंट इज द रूट नोड. Along with this, we need the in order to find out the elements of left subtree and right subtree. So we can say that in order is mandatory, but कई बार आपको in order नहीं given होता है तो वहां पे ध्यान से देखिएगा definition में directly indirectly कहीं ना कहीं ये जरूर given होगा. It's a binary search tree. We had discussed one property that in order of binary search tree is always ascending order. So in order of binary search tree is always an ascending order of the elements. Always an ascending order. If this is clear, then let's continue with the tree construction. अब हम examples लेंगे. पहले एक दो questions मैं करूँगी with the in order and pre-order, then in order and post-order. उसके बाद बाकी के questions एक एक questions आप try कीजिएगा, then will be done for the day. All right. So conclusion is for binary tree construction, we need pre-order and in order. अगर आपको प्री ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर दिया है तो इससे आप बाइनरी ट्री कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. You'll get unique binary tree, and if you have got unique binary tree, then obviously you can return the post order. Similarly, if you are given with the post order के साथ आपको in order दिया गया है, then you'll get unique binary tree. Here also you'll be getting unique binary tree. Unique means एक ही binary tree बनेगा. Unique binary tree, and on the basis of that you can return pre-order. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा प्री ऑर्डर और पोस्ट ऑर्डर पूछा होगा. कई बार जो रिजल्टेंट ट्री बनेगा उसकी हाइट पूछ सकते हैं, नंबर ऑफ लेवल्स पूछ सकते हैं, व्हाट विल बी द एलिमेंट एट द लास्ट लेवल, that can be asked. So basically once you are ready with the tree, then they can ask any question on the basis of that tree. Okay, so let's start with the first example. So it's construction of binary tree from pre-order and in order. So we are given with the pre-order. Pre-order means first element will be the root element. First element will be root element, then elements of left subtree and right subtree. And we very well know that in order means we have left subtree elements followed by the root element, then right subtree. So प्री ऑर्डर पोस्ट ऑर्डर रूट बता रहे हैं, सबसे पहला काम ही रूट आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो इन दिस ट्री ए विल बी द रूट नोड, क्योंकि प्री ऑर्डर में सबसे पहले आपके पास ए आ रहा है. सो फॉर श्योर ए विल बी द रूट नोड. लेट्स राइट हियर द रूट नोड ए. आफ्टर दैट अब हमें लेफ्ट सब ट्री और राइट सब ट्री के एलिमेंट्स में डिस्टिंग्विश करने हैं, तो हम इन ऑर्डर के पास जाएंगे. ए के लेफ्ट साइड पे जो भी एलिमेंट्स आ रहे हैं दोज आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ लेफ्ट सब ट्री. रूट के लेफ्ट साइड पे जो भी एलिमेंट्स है एलिमेंट्स ऑफ लेफ्ट सब ट्री. मुझे नहीं पता कि लेफ्ट सब ट्री का सीक्वेंस क्या है, तो आई विल राइट ऑल दीज एलिमेंट्स अंडर वन नोड. धीरे धीरे करके इनको स्प्लिट करेंगे. सो राइट साइड पे जो भी एलिमेंट्स है दोज आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ राइट सब ट्री. इट्स एफ सी जी. Now, with the elements of left subtree, check what node is coming first. So B, D, E, that means these are the elements of left subtree. F, C, G, C, F, G, किसी भी sequence में आ रहे हैं, but anyhow these three elements are the elements of right subtree. Out of the elements of left subtree, B is coming first. That means left subtree में root होगी आपके पास B. B के left में आपके पास D आ रहे हैं. These are the elements of left subtree. B root है तो जो भी elements left side पे those are the elements of left subtree. So D will be the root. D will be the left subtree element and E will be the right subtree element. E. Similarly, F, C, G. So here C is coming first. So C will be the root node. C के left में F आ रहा है and G. Have you observed one thing? What are we doing here? Just on the basis of pre-order, we are identifying the root node. हम root node को identify कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद in order में जाके root के left में जो भी elements हैं उनको left subtree में add कर रहे हैं और right side पे जो भी elements हैं those are added in the right subtree. So ultimately we got the tree as A. Left child of A is B. Right child is C, D, E and F. D, E, F and G. So we have got a unique binary tree. Now for this tree, easily you can return the post order using the trick. Quickly tell me that what will be the post order. Tree bana. From this, you have created this tree and now you are returning the post order. So what will be the post order? Always delete the leftmost leaf node. It's D, E, B. D, E, B. I'm not going to explain this trick again. जिन लोगों ने ट्रैक वाला सेशन अटेंड नहीं किया, इससे पहले वाली वीडियो आपको सीरीज में मिल जाएगी. सो दैट इज बाइनरी ट्री ट्रेवर्सल्स. जस्ट गो थ्रू इट because we have already discussed the trick. So if F, G, C and A. Very good evening Hemant, good evening Shubham. So this is how we can construct the binary tree from the pre-order and in order. I'm going to take one more example. Construction of binary tree from pre-order and in order. So let's start constructing the tree. So first of all, root node pre-order है तो definitely first element will be the root element. A is the root element. Then to the left of A, four elements are coming up. D, F, H, D. And to the right, four elements are coming up. That is C, G, I, E. So these are the elements of four elements of left subtree. Next four elements C, E, G, I. These are the elements of right subtree. Left subtree में root will be B and right subtree में root will be C. B will be the root node, C will be the root node. B के left B के राइट में जा रहे हैं तीनों एलिमेंट्स, F H D आर ऑन द राइट साइड, सो इट विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ राइट सब ट्री, F H D. सेम प्रोसेस आप अप्लाई करोगे. ट्री ट्रेवर्सल्स आर नथिंग बट दीज आर यूजिंग द रिकर्सिव कॉल्स. सो नाउ चेक out of these three elements what is the root. So D F H, D is coming first, so D will be the root node. F H are present on the left of D, so it will be on the left of D. This is F and H. Now out of F and H, F is coming first, so that means F will be the root node. जो भी आपके पास एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उनमें से देखिए कि पहले कौन आ रहा है. सो F is coming first, so F will be the root. H is present on the right hand side, so it will be a part of right subtree. Similarly, we'll explore the right subtree C G I E. इन चारों में से C पहले आ रहा है, so C is the root node. G I E are present on the right hand side. G I E. Out of G I E, E is coming first, so E will be the next root. G I are present on the left side. Now, out of G and I, G is coming first. G पहले आ रहा है, so G will be the root, and I is present on the right side. So we'll stop here. So ultimately, we are getting a tree. Final tree क्या है आपके पास? It's A is the root. Left child is B. Then is D. F and H. And on the right hand side, we are getting C, then E, then G, and then I. Got unique binary tree. Now return the post order. Trick use कीजिए. दो leaf nodes हैं, H and I will follow the leftmost path first. So it's H F D, H F D B, I G E C and A. So this is the post order. Clear? I guess this is clear to everyone. ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. प्री ऑर्डर में बस हम रूट जो पहला एलिमेंट है दैट इज द रूट, and if I'll be taking post order and in order, so whatever element will be coming at the end, that will be the root. That's it. Any difficulty in this concept? Okay, let's solve one more question. Construction of binary tree from pre-order. You are given with the pre-order and in order. We have to construct a tree. Just give it a try and check if you can return the post order from these two sequences. Same method. Pre-order means first element is root. A. To the left, we have four elements. F, D, B, E. To the right, we have five elements. G, I, C, H, and J. Now take the four elements B, F, B, D, F, E. ये left subtree के elements है. Out of these elements, B is coming first. So B is the root node. B के left में F and D are there. F and D. Right side पे एक ही element आ रहा है, that is E. Now out of F and D, D is coming first, so that means D will be the root node. D के left में F आ रहा है, so it will be a part of left subtree. Next, single element आ गया, so take the right subtree. In the right subtree, we have 5 elements. C is coming first, so C will be the root node. C के left में दो elements आ रहे हैं, G and I, and right subtree में दो elements आ रहे हैं, that is H and J. H and J. Now, out of G and I, G is coming first, so G will be the root node, and I is coming on the right hand side, so it will be a part of right subtree. Similarly, out of H and J, H is coming first, so H will be the root node and J is coming on the right hand side. So we have got the resultant tree where A is the root node, left child is B and right child is C. Then to the left of B we have D, to the right we have E, F, and C के left में we are getting G, right में we have H, I and J. Since we have got a tree, so now on the basis of this we can return the post order, use the trick and try to get the post order. Sorry. So always delete the leftmost leaf node. F, E, I, J are the leaf nodes. So deleting the left one, F, then D, then E, then B, I, G, J, H, C, and A. So this is the answer. We were supposed to return the post order. So we have returned the post order. I hope this is clear to everyone. So I guess now you guys must be comfortable with pre-order and in-order. Pre-order and in-order से कैसे binary tree construct करना है. Now we will be constructing the binary tree from post-order and in-order. So let's try that. So we are given with the post order and in order of a tree, and we are supposed to return the pre-order. So we need to identify the root node first in order to get a unique binary tree. So according to the post order, root will be at the end. We are getting here left subtree elements, then right subtree elements, and then we have the root. So whatever element is at the end, जो भी element last position पे, that will be the root element. So according to this, A will be the root element. So here we are getting A as the root. Now to the left of A we have 5 elements, B, F, J, H, D, and to the right of A again we have 5 elements, that is E, I, K, E, I, K, G, C. Now go to post order and identify what will be the root for the left subtree and what will be the root for right subtree. So B, F, J, H, D. So here are the elements. These are the 5 elements of left subtree. Out of these 5 elements, B is coming at the last position. That indicates that B will be the root node. And all the remaining 4 elements are on the right hand side. So it will be a part of right subtree. So it will be going to right subtree F, J, H, D. Again, follow the same process. Out of these 4 elements, J, H, F, D, D is coming at the end. So D will be the root node and F, J, H are present on the left hand side. So it will be a part of left subtree F, J, H. Still we have 3 elements. So out of these 3 elements, F is coming at the end. So F will be the root node and J and H will be on the right side. J and H. Out of J and H is coming at the end. So H will be the root node and J is on the left hand side. So it will be a left child of H. Same concept. The only difference is in the pre-order, first element was the root. In the post-order, last element is the root. That's it. All right, let's quickly cover the right subtree as well. So out of these 5 elements, C is coming at the end. So C will be the root. Remaining 4 elements are coming on the left hand side. So it is E, I, K, G. Out of these 4 elements, E is at the last position. So E will be the next root. And I, K, G, ये तीनों elements right side पे जा रहे हैं. So right subtree I, K, G. Out of I, K, G, G is at the end. So G will be the root. I, K will be on the left side. Out of I and K, I is at the end. So I will be the root and K is on the right side. So we have got a tree. Let me write here. And then easily you can return the pre-order. So this comes out to be A is the root node. Towards the left, we have B, C, right child is D, left child is E, F, G, H, I, J, and K. So we have got a unique binary tree. Now easily we can return the pre-order. अगर आपको याद होगा ये वाला tree हमने कल लिया भी था and we returned the pre-order. So pre-order is very simple. Start from the root node and start printing the elements. If in the path two options are available, follow the leftmost. Reason clear है क्योंकि जब हम tree को traverse करते हैं, first of all the left subtree elements are traversed. So let's start with that. So A is the root node. Then leftmost path B, D, F, H, J, B, D, F, H, J. Then same process आप right subtree पे follow करोगे. It will be C, E, G, I, K. मैं इतना क्विकली ट्रिक के साथ लिख रही हूँ जो ट्रिक कल शेयर की थी. जिन लोगों को नहीं क्लियर है, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस. Follow the previous video that is on tree traversals. You'll get that trick. Okay, so we have got the pre-order from the post order and the in order. So this is how we can construct the binary tree from in order and post order or pre-order and in order. Now sometimes they'll just give you pre-order. If you go through this question, you can see they are saying that pre-order traversal of a binary search tree. So pre-order traversal दिया हुआ है. Which one of the following is the post-order traversal? अब इसके बेसिस पे आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ रूट नोड आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो दैट 15 विल बी द रूट नोड. लेफ्ट सब ट्री में कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे वी डू नॉट नो. राइट सब ट्री में कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे वी डू नॉट नो. बाइनरी सर्च ट्री की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? रूट इज ग्रेटर देन लेफ्ट सब ट्री एलिमेंट्स एंड रूट इज स्मॉलर देन राइट सब ट्री एलिमेंट्स. और in order, here pre-order is given to you, in order is not given. But we know the in order property of a binary search tree, that is always the ascending order of the elements. So you can write here the in order. In order. What will be the in order? Arrange these elements in the ascending order. It will be 10, 11, 12, 15. 10, 11, 12, 15. And then we have 16, 18, 19 and 20. This is the in order. Now, easily you can follow the process. We have already constructed the tree from in order and pre-order. In order was not given, but it was said that whatever traversal is given to you, that is the traversal of the binary search tree. So we got the in order. Now, towards the left of 15, there are 3 elements, यानी कि ये तीनों elements left subtree का part होंगे. It will be 10, 11 and 12. Similarly, right subtree में आपके पास 4 elements आ रहे हैं, 16, 18 and 9. 16, 18, 19 and 20. Now, follow the same process. Out of these 3 elements, go to the pre-order. So this is nothing but these are the elements of left subtree. These are the elements of right subtree. Left subtree में 10 is coming first. So 10 will be the root node. 11 and 12 are on the right hand side. So it will be on the right hand side. Out of 11 and 12, 12 is coming first. So 12 will be the root. 11 will be on the left side. I hope you all are getting this. This is the last question for this session. Out of these 4 elements, go to the pre-order in order to identify the root node. 20 will be the root node क्योंकि इन चारों elements में से 20 पहले आ रहा है and 20 के left में जा रहे हैं तीनों elements. So here will be getting 16, 18 and 19. Out of 16, 18 and 19, root कौन सा होगा ये बताएगा pre-order. So 18 is the root. 18 के left पे we have 16 and to the right of 18 we have 19. So we got the tree. So we are getting a tree where 15 is the root node. To the left of 15 we have 10. To the right of 10 we have 12. And to the left we have 11. Similarly, to the right side 20 is the right root for right subtree. Then left child is 16. To the left of 6 left child is 18. Left child is 18. To the left of 18 we have 16 and to the right of 18 we have 19. Tree ban gaya. Now you can return the post order. Post order will be delete the leftmost leaf node. So it is 11, then 12, then 10. Anyhow आपके पास सारी options पहले ही जैसे ही आपने 11 लिया बाकी सारी options eliminate होगी. Option C is eliminated, option A is eliminated. So correct answer for this question is it's option B. So 10, after that 16, 19, 18, 16, 19, 18 and then we have 20 and finally 50. So this is the correct answer for this question. तो इस तरीके से questions पूछे जा सकते हैं. ये सिर्फ एक टाइप है. आपसे ये भी पूछा जा सकता था कि इस ट्री की हाइट कितनी है. So tree height is 3. लेफ्ट सब ट्री में कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे. लेफ्ट सब ट्री में 3 एलिमेंट्स है. राइट सब ट्री में कितने एलिमेंट्स है. 4 एलिमेंट्स. समथिंग लाइक दिस. Is this clear to everyone? So the agenda for today's session was the binary tree construction. So we have discussed that in order to construct the binary tree, we need pre-order and in order or post-order and in order. Pre-order or post-order आपको uniquely root node बताएंगे कि what will be the root node, what will be the root element and root के left में कौन से elements होंगे और right में कौन से elements होंगे. For that we need the in order. So this is all about this session. If you guys have any doubts or any queries, feel free to write in the chat section. In the meantime, let me discuss the schedule for the super coaching and the YouTube sessions. So paper 1 or paper 2, first of all I'm talking about the super coaching. Paper 1 और paper 2 दोनों की live classes चल रही है. Okay. पेपर 1 के सारे यूनिट्स लाइव में कवर हो रहे हैं. पेपर 2 के सारे यूनिट्स लाइव में कवर हो रहे हैं. पेपर 1 का जो स्केड्यूल है दिस इज मंडे टू सैटरडे ओनली. संडे इज ऑफ. 6 days वीक में क्लास होती है. दैट इज at 12:30 in the noon. Okay. And for paper 2 there are 2 sessions every day, one in the morning and other one in the evening. During these sessions, you can interact with the educators, you can ask your doubts, you can understand the concepts, but इसके लिए super coaching is required and definitely you can join it to get more details, you can go through the description box, और आपको screen के ऊपर एक ticker दिख रहा है that currently the sale is going on and today is the last day for the sale. Okay, so just take the advantage of that, enroll yourself for super coaching if you are dedicatedly preparing for UGC NET 24 June 24, and if you want to crack the exam in the first attempt itself, so this is going to be beneficial for you. So morning and evening time slots are decided in such a way that everyone can join. So in the morning we have the session from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and in the evening we have the session from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. In order to get more details, you can definitely go through the description box. जितने भी important links हैं, all are given there. And for these sessions for paper 2 there is no off on Saturday and Sunday because आप लोगों का ऑफिस से जो लोग working professionals है और जो भी कहीं ना कहीं पे busy है, so definitely you'll get more time on weekends, so that's why there will be classes in the morning and evening on the weekends, but definitely हमें एक break चाहिए होता है. So for morning there will be no session on Thursday, and for evenings there will be no session on Monday and Tuesday. Apart from that, we'll be having sessions on all the days. तो आप ये देख सकते हैं कि वीक में हमारे पास 14 सेशंस बनते हैं, उनमें से 3 ऑफ है, so 11 sessions per week are there on paper 2 and 6 live classes on paper 1. So in total 17 to 18 classes per week होती है for UGC NET. Okay, and apart from that on the YouTube I'm taking the sessions at 6:30. So if you want to join the live sessions on YouTube, so YouTube sessions may I'm covering the important concepts. So I'll be taking next 3 important concepts from DBMS: attribute closure, decomposition, that is dependency preserving, and lossless or lossy decomposition. ये next 3 sessions में discuss करेंगे, and again we'll come back to concepts through questions क्योंकि questions के साथ आपको ज़्यादा clarity आएगी. सो डीबीएमएस में डाउट्स आ रहे हैं, सो कल से हम लोग डीबीएमएस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, बट आफ्टर 3 सेशंस विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द concepts through questions, so you can join those sessions. And definitely for YouTube also, Monday and Tuesday it is off. For remaining 5 days we'll be having the YouTube session. I guess no more queries are there, so we'll end our discussion here. Thank you so much guys for joining the session. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you.